Welcome to the Global Commerce Academy, your trusted platform for 100% free CMA USA classes. Today we're diving into the final chapter of Part 1, Technology and Analytics. This is Chapter 14, Emerging Technologies, based on the CMA USA 2025 syllabus. Now let me take you into a story that truly illustrates how these technologies are not just abstract concepts or distant possibilities. They are actively reshaping the world of finance and fundamentally redefining what it means to be a CMA in today's fast-paced business environment. It all began on what seemed like a regular Monday morning in the finance department of a large multinational company. The office buzzed with the usual energy as employees settled in, ready to tackle another week. Ashish, a recently promoted CMA, walked into the office, but his mind was preoccupied with a pressing problem that had been keeping him up at night. The past quarter had been nothing short of a nightmare. Delayed payments piling up, missed invoices slipping through the cracks, and vendors constantly calling, demanding answers and clarification. His CFO wasn't happy either. The pressure was mounting from the top. In the last meeting, she made it clear, our processes are outdated, we need to modernize, we need automation, we need real-time control if we want to stay competitive. And that's where Ashish's journey of transformation truly began, a journey into the rapidly evolving world of emerging technologies. At first, it was overwhelming. Terms like blockchain, RPA, AI, and machine learning were being thrown around in every tech meeting, making it feel like a foreign language. But Ashish didn't panic or shy away. Instead, he made a decision to embrace the change and started learning everything he could, determined to turn challenges into opportunities. The first breakthrough came when Ashish attended a live demonstration on blockchain technology, a moment that would change his perspective on digital innovation forever. He quickly realized it wasn't just about cryptocurrency or digital coins. It was about building a new kind of trust in business, one that didn't rely on middlemen or paper trails. Ashish saw that with blockchain, every transaction could be recorded securely and transparently, creating a permanent digital footprint. No more manual logs, no more hidden changes, and no more manipulation behind the scenes. Vendors couldn't claim unpaid invoices or dispute records. Everything was visible, time-stamped, and verified by everyone on a decentralized ledger, making fraud nearly impossible. But the real wow moment came when he witnessed a smart contract in action for the first time. A supplier delivered goods to a warehouse, and the process was tracked automatically. The delivery was instantly verified using sensor data, ensuring accuracy and eliminating any doubts about the shipment's arrival. And within seconds, without a single human pressing a button or making a phone call, the system released payment automatically, streamlining the entire transaction. Ashish thought to himself, this isn't just the future unfolding. This is happening right now, and it's transforming the way we do business forever. Inspired, he brought the idea back to his team and implemented a pilot blockchain solution. The audit department was amazed. No more missing entries. Everything could be traced back with zero tampering. Next came robotic process automation. Ashish noticed that his junior staff spent hours doing repetitive tasks, copying numbers from one sheet to another, sending emails, verifying documents. It wasn't strategic work. It was just manual. With RPA, they created bots that could do those tasks faster, more accurately, and around the clock. What once took a team of 3 people 4 hours now took one bot just 25 minutes. This freed up the team. Instead of data entry, they were now analyzing trends and preparing reports, the real work of a CMA. Soon the CFO had another question. Can we predict which of our clients are likely to delay payments in the next cycle? Ashish smiled. It was time for artificial intelligence. He worked with the data team to train an AI model on past payment behavior, market conditions, and industry trends. Within a week, the AI could flag 87% of potentially risky clients before they even missed a payment. It wasn't magic, it was smart finance. Ashish then explored machine learning, diving into predictive analytics. ML algorithms started analyzing sales, seasonal spikes, and customer churn. Forecasts were no longer guesses. They were backed by constantly evolving models that got more accurate each month. And then came IoT, the Internet of Things. Ashish's company had delivery trucks, warehouses, and machinery spread across regions. Now, using IoT sensors, he could get real-time data on inventory levels, vehicle movement, even temperature-sensitive goods. This data wasn't just operational, it was financial gold. He could now predict maintenance costs, cut inventory holding costs, and reduce losses from spoilage, all from a single dashboard. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Some people resisted. What if these bots take our jobs, they asked. Can we trust AI over human judgment? Others wondered. Ashish didn't ignore these questions. He answered them with empathy and clarity. He organized workshops, how AI empowers, not replaces. He showed staff how RPA removes routine work, not their value. He made them part of the process, and slowly a transformation took place. Finance wasn't just about reports and reconciliations anymore. It became strategic, real-time, and tech-driven. Ashish was no longer just a CMA. He was a tech-savvy finance leader, the bridge between accounting and innovation. As he wrapped up his quarterly review presentation, the CFO leaned in and said, "This is the future of finance, and you're already ahead of it." So if you're a CMA USA aspirant like Ashish, remember this important lesson. Emerging technologies are not a threat to your career. Instead, they're a powerful toolkit designed to help you succeed in the modern business world. These are tools that let you automate repetitive tasks, analyze complex data, and lead your team with greater precision and confidence than ever before. The best part? You don't have to code or become a software engineer to benefit from these advancements. You don't have to build servers or manage complicated hardware either. The technology is more accessible than ever. But you must be willing to learn and adapt, because knowing how to use the tools of tomorrow, starting today, will set you apart as a future-ready professional. This concludes Chapter 14, Emerging Technologies from Part 1, Technology and Analytics of the CMA USA 2025 syllabus. We hope you found it insightful and motivating. Subscribe now to the Global Commerce Academy for all upcoming lectures, 100% free, fully explained, and strategically delivered to help you master every topic. Your next journey begins with Part 2, Financial Planning, Performance and Analytics. Get ready to dive deeper and build your expertise. See you in the next video. Let's keep learning and growing together. Rocket emoji.